Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG phone 6D, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. In them, select Apps and Notifications. Scroll down just a bit. Click on App Notifications. And finally, tap on Most Recent. Then tap on the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. When you're ready, tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Play Store. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!